Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show how to make these beautiful flowers. One small bowl maida, 2 tablespoon talcum powder, 3 tablespoon white adhesive, some water. Mix them to make a dough. Our dough is ready. Take some dough and make small balls like this. Make 10 to 15 balls. Take a small ball and flatten it like this to make a petal. This will be the petal. Take a stick and roll it on it. Okay. We will take another petal and hold it like this over it and this. It will form a flower sepal like shape. And then another. Following the same procedure, our 2 flowers are ready. Now we will let them dry overnight. The flower has dried overnight and now I am going to color it with a magenta metallic nail paint. Now we are going to color it like this. We are done with coloring of the flower. We are taking this green strip. We will apply Fevicol over it like this. Now we are going to wrap this green strip on our flower like this. Flower is ready. Our flowers are ready.